Welcome to Thrice Learning. Hello, learners. Welcome to the Thrice the Learning Castle. For today's lesson, you are going to learn about letter Q. Of course, with Teacher Jasmine. This is the uppercase Q. And this is the lowercase q. Letter Q makes the sound qua. Qua. The following are examples of words with the initial sound qua. In most cases, the Q is always paired with a U to form words. Qua, queen. Queen. Qua, quill. Quill. Qua, quilt. Quilt. Qua, quail. Quail. Qua, quick. Quick. Qua, quiz. Quiz. Qua, question mark. Question mark. Qua, quiet. Quiet. It's thinking time. Identify the picture with the initial sound qua. The queen was so happy today. She's giving you each a star for a job well done. Just a reminder, letter Q is always paired with a U. See you again next time. Bye!